Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing legal access and confirming utilities. Without permission, you cannot stay long-term. Once done, prioritize immediate safety checks, roof integrity, lantern housing, and fuel storage because exposure and leaks are top risks. Make sure to set up a 72-hour kit and testing plan for water and power. Do this first so you have shelter while you methodically verify systems. Then document existing conditions with photos to guide repairs and future maintenance. Next, you build reliable daily systems so living is sustainable. Start with power. Mount panels, wire a charge controller to a battery bank, and size 100/500 Ah to match your loads. This prevents brownouts. Then install water capture and filtration, adding a first flush diverter to avoid contaminants. Plan for 20-50 liters per person per day. Finally, fit a safe heating and cooking solution, a marine stove with proper ventilation, because a controlled flame protects the structure and your health. To finish, you set an operation routine and an emergency plan so daily life is orderly and safe. Once systems run, perform weekly checks on seals, battery state, fuel levels, and radio functionality, and log everything for trends. If conditions worsen, follow an evacuation plan or shelter-in-place triggers for wind and flood. If something fails, isolate the fault, switch to backups, and use marine-grade parts for repairs. This prevents repeat failures and keeps the Lighthouse functional for you and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.